So after carving everything out, we've patted everything down as hard as we can to create really hard shelves that aren't going to collapse. And now we're adding 1 inch of sand throughout. Step 2, we're gonna lay this fabric. I didn't honestly know what the hell it was for. We started reading that a lot of people will put newspaper on top of the sand. Obviously it'll degrade over time, but we found this, it's like a felt, and I believe it's used to help soften the edges. The next thing is we're gonna put the plastic down. And you don't want anything with sharp edges or anything that's gonna poke it. I think this also helps keep roots from growing in and penetrating the liner. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so as this starts to pool and fill up, we're gonna try to work out as many creases as we can. Okay. And shift it and tuck it and fold everything so it's as nice as possible.